VPK Bearing presents the ball bearing 608ZZ-CX, one of the most popular sizes for compact and high-speed mechanisms. The bearing is equipped with metal protective washers, ZZ, on both sides, which protect against dust and dirt and retain factory grease throughout its service life. 608ZZ-CX operates stably at high speeds and tolerates radial loads well. It is widely used in electric motors, fans, power tools, 3D printers, roller mechanisms, as well as in household and office equipment. The bearing has dimensions of 8 by 22 by 7 millimeters. During installation, we recommend avoiding distortions and shock loads. In critical units, it is better to trust the installation to specialists. You can order 608ZZ-CX and get professional advice on the website vpk-podshipnik.com.ua. Come to VPK Podshipnik. We will help you choose the right bearing and provide fast delivery across Ukraine.